Hi everyone, I just had to tell you about this new tool I got. It was actually a gift, and at first I didn't think much of it, but when I started reading the instructions I realised that what it was capable of. It's a Black & Decker Scorpion handheld electrical saw, and it can do a lot more than I thought. There's like a little guard here, and that acts as a stand at first, but also you're going to like this. It changes into a completely different tool than you think it does, and this is one of the things I didn't know. Also, you get these three blades with it normally, and they're three different types of cutting for different materials, and it's got a unique way of putting the blades on. You don't need a screwdriver or anything anymore, and I'll just show you that with the first blade I'm going to get out. What we're going to do, I'll show you how to cut some wood here first of all. It's a fairly thick piece of log. In fact, this is where I first started using it. Just behind me in the woods here, all these branches were overhanging the garden, and I'll tell you what, this is the second best thing to a chainsaw because it made short work of that lot in there. So what I'm going to do is get one of the first blades out whilst we're on the fauna side of it. The instructions tell you which blades are which. Now take the safety guard off, like so. It's this blade here. The fitting is really easy. Make sure it's unplugged first. It's a really good idea. Get your blade. There's like a little slot in here. If you read the instructions, first of all the blade goes in that shape there, that angle, and you just pull back and it locks in place, and that's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. So the blades change just in an instant, which is totally brilliant. Right, I'm going to plug it in again. Of course, with all power tools you've got to be safety minded, so I'm wearing some safety glasses here. So with some tools you might need some ear protection. This one's not too bad really. Right, first off we're going to show you how it cuts these logs. It's fairly thick gauge, and normally you'd have to do it by hand, which takes a lot of effort. There's also a safety catch here. You have to press upwards. It's like a safety locking mechanism before it'll allow you to pull the trigger. So here we go. Both hands on the tool where you can. There we go. That came off really easy. Saves a lot of effort. And as I say, I cut all them back with that. Great tool. Right, next off, I'll just unplug it again. It can also cut through metal. So again, this mechanism here for taking the blades out is totally brilliant. It's a new type of invention by Black & Decker. Press the button here and it moves, just falls off. Always put the safety catch back on. Cover, I should say, which I'll do in a minute because it's wasting time. Put that to one side. Right, I'm going to get the metal cutting blade out here. Again, it goes on an easy way. Just slots on, pull forward, and it's done. Okay, plug it in again. I've got a bit of metal pipe here, and watch how quickly it goes through this. It's like butter. A bit noisy. Just like that. Totally brilliant. Again, press this button on the side, push forwards, blade comes straight out. Now one of the best things about this I like, which I didn't realise at all, it changes into a jigsaw. within seconds. First of all, this guard here comes right over, flips over the front. You turn the tool round into that way, and this acts as the surface for the actual jigsaw. That's what moves along the work. Right, again, put the tool in, put the blade in I should say, lock it forwards like that. I've clamped in a bit of flooring here, and I'll show you how that cuts with the jigsaw. The tool's used the other way around, and underneath the safety button exists as well. It's top and bottom, so when you reverse the tool you can use this one if you like. You place the jigsaw on the work and you can cut circles and all sorts of things with this, patterns out. There you go, you can see an arc in that. It's ideal if you're fitting laminate flooring and things. It's totally brilliant. So, if you like this sort of thing, just go to the link just below this video here, and you can have a look at these particular tools. I think they're a great deal, very useful, better than you'll imagine. It's better than all the handsaw type thing. Remember the safety instructions, and away you go. Job done.